A modern composition can turn a few simple shapes into a design that feels professionally crafted. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Start with a clean background that complements your product, then open the Elements panel and choose a combination of circles, rectangles, lines, and abstract shapes. Place the larger shapes first to establish the main structure, then add smaller shapes as accents around the product area. Upload your product image and position it where it naturally becomes the focal point of the composition. Add a bold headline, a short product description, pricing, and a clear call to action using clean, modern fonts. Keep your color palette limited